Explore two stylish living options in Thane, a cozy 1 BHK and a spacious 2 BHK, each designed for comfort and elegance. This property offers excellent connectivity to major hotspots and business centers in Mumbai. Starting with a 1 BHK that offers 445 square feet of smartly utilized space. Step into a spacious and beautifully designed living room, perfect for relaxation and entertainment. Enjoy meals with family and friends in the dedicated dining area. The living room opens up to a spacious balcony, offering a perfect spot for relaxation with a view. A modern kitchen, thoughtfully designed for functionality and style, equipped with all necessary amenities. The common bathroom features high-quality fixtures and fittings, providing convenience for guests and family members. A cozy bedroom with ample space, perfect for family members or guests. The spacious bedroom comes with an attached washroom for added privacy and comfort. And finally, we explore the 2 BHK, a spacious option with 627 square feet of carpet area. Step into the spacious living room, designed to offer both comfort and elegance, featuring a 4-seater dining space. The room extends to an inviting deck balcony, providing a serene spot to enjoy your morning coffee or unwind after a long day. The modern L-shaped kitchen is seamlessly connected to the living area. Bedroom 1 is a bright and airy space thanks to its long French windows that flood the room with natural light, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The common bathroom is thoughtfully designed, the master bedroom is a true retreat. Featuring French windows and an attached bathroom for ultimate comfort and privacy. Ready to experience this lifestyle? To book a site visit, contact us on the number displayed on the screen.